till the arrival of where you are sitting?
Thank you, Chair. I was born 51 years ago in Gatundu South in Kiambu County. I attended primary school in a school by the name of Githoya Primary in Gatundu South. That is between the year 1977 and the year 1983. I attended another school called Itulo High School in Gatundu South for my O-levels between the year 1984 and 1987, and I passed with flying colors. I proceeded for my A-levels, Thika High School, between the year 1988 and the year 1989. Again, I passed well, and I was admitted to the University of Nairobi, in the year 1990 for a Bachelor of Commerce degree, specializing in accounting and finance. I graduated in the year 1993, and between 1994 and 1995 I worked for various organizations including Total and Lion Brea Investment Bank. In the year 1995 I joined Standard Chartered Bank all the way to 1999, and in the year 1999 I was poached by a bank in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia by the name of Al-Ajhi Bank, which happens to be the largest Islamic bank in the world. I worked there for 4 years, and in the year 2003 I teamed up with my colleagues in the Gulf region, and we set up a banking and financial sector consultancy by the name of Wamad International, and we consulted for banks and other organizations in the area of technology, Islamic finance, and business processes across the entire Middle East. Represented some leading companies in technology from Europe and India, in Middle East and North Africa, and later on the entire Africa. I came back to Kenya in the year 2007 at the invitation of the late Mwai Kibaki, who was my friend, and he asked me to assist as a consultant in his government, and I worked in that role until the year 2008. In the year 2008, I joined then Minister for Trade, the Honorable Uhuru Kenyatta, as his technical advisor on trade matters. Later on, the Honorable Uhuru Kenyatta was transferred to the National Treasury as a Minister for Finance, and I moved there as also a technical advisor in the Treasury until his election as President in the year 2013. In the year 2014, there was a by-election in Gatundu South constituency following the sad demise of the then Member of Parliament, Honorable Joseph Ngugi. I offered myself for election in that by-election, and I won. I was the first person in the new constitution to be elected and opposed. Later on, some members who are sitting here would copy from me, including the Honorable Kimani Ichung'wah. And later on, to the year 2017, I was again re-elected in Gatundu South until the year 2022. And I held that job. I offered myself to be the governor of Kiambu County. I did not succeed. And I was then nominated by President William Samoei Ruto to be the cabinet secretary in the docket of in the Ministry of Investment, Trade and Industry. And that's how I am here, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Thank you, Moses Kuria. And now